How to sort a list of lists by a specific index of the inner list. I have a list of lists. For example, if I wanted to sort the outer list by the string field of the inner list, how would you do that in Python?
This is a job for item getter. It is also possible to use a lambda function here, however the lambda function is slower in this simple case.
In place. Not in place using sorted. Item getter lets you to sort by multiple criteria/columns.
Multiple criteria can also be implemented through lambda function.
Jemand zurück, Task-Select-Society.